Hey guys, welcome back to Quant Lab. A lot of times in the past, I've talked about a concept called as market mood index. This is a tool which uses market sentiments to generate a numerical number and categorizes the market into four zones: extreme fear, fear, greed, and extreme greed. In this conversation, let's take a deep dive in. So Market Mood Index is a product from the guys at Ticker Tape. I've been using this platform on and off once in a while. I think it's good. In my previous video, I did talk about different platforms. So the way it works is it gives you numbers between less than 20 and greater than 80, so 0 to 100. Extreme fear is a zone where you have a good time to open fresh positions because the markets are fundamentally oversold and they might, turn upwards. Extreme greed is just inverse. So markets are overbought and then it's likely to turn downwards. So market mood index is updated quite frequently by the guys at Ticker Tape. And in this video, we'll want to go a little deep dive in and understand how it is. So you can see all the different zones by clicking here: extreme fear, fear, greed, which is, so there's 20 bands, and extreme greed greater than 70. Now they look at changes in MMI versus Nifty. So if you and they're the way I think they're projecting MMI is showing some sort of a direct relationship with Nifty. So whether you should use this or not. So they'll show you the Nifty returns compared to it, and you can obviously see the full history if you're a pro customer. They give you a complete chart of past 8-10 years, I think, or to do everything. Yeah, something of this kind. You can download all of this data if you are a paid customer. So basically what they're showing since 2017 till 2021 in this chart, that this is only till 2021, is the MMI has been 88.6% accurate, which is really good. So every time that the MMI reaches an extreme fear zone, the market bottoms out and there's a breakout expected. If you are studying the current markets, a lot of people are also speculating that the breakout is expected very soon. Now, what is the cause of that breakout? Very, very different conversation. So, how can you build investing and trading strategies with MMI? You can use a 3-month market prediction with MMI, and there's lots of small cases built into it. You can just look at it and use it as an indicator in building your trading strategy. This is very different from VIX. I think they have clarified it somewhere. Yeah, how is it different from India VIX? So VIX is a volatility index, but this is more of an overall sentiment. And it will be a really good, interesting number. And I think fundamentally it's better than VIX. So how is MMI built? They have FII activity for institutional investors. They understand the volatility and skew. They look at momentum. They look at market breadth. They look at price strength, and they look at demand for gold, which is a critical aspect. They have tried to detail down every aspect of this. If you want to take a deep dive, you can understand the volatility and skew aspects. Every aspect that they have used in the calculation, they have given some, you know, article or journal about it, so that you don't feel overwhelmed by just a number and you see some strength in the answer. They have a very simple methodology, although they haven't gone down in defining what are the sources they are using for collecting each of these data points, etc., etc. This is still a proprietary product, so they might not give you out all the information, but this is good enough if you think about it in general. And they really are showcasing that 10,000 people are using it, and that's fundamentally MMI. You will see this being referred in a lot of different places, and it's really a good idea. A lot of other seasoned finance, I would say pro people, or finfluencers as we call them, they refer to this index every now and then. So this is a very important index for you to detail out. Do study it. It's very, very worthy to pay for it and download it, understand the data, and see if you want to make any use for it. This could just be another data point in your kitty. All right, if you like the video, give thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye bye.